Hi, welcome back to our channel and back to the tutorial for deep planning. Today we are going to continue the one called RCNN. That is one of the familiar deep learning model, which is very helpful for object detection and works with the help of works in the field of computer vision to here. So RCNN. So before understanding this RCNN, we have to know the meaning of object detection. Here generally object detection meanwhile it is a task of accurately locating and classifying the object within the image here. Moreover, there will be a two-stage detector and one-stage detector will be there. RCNN come under the category of one-stage detector only. And here we have to know about many things here. So we have to continue the basics of RCNN, very useful one. And so here now today, what is RCNN and how it works. So what is RCNN? How does RCNN work? And what is the need of the region proposal? Followed by feature extraction, at last object classification here. So what is RCNN? You can say it's one of the successful, and that means region-based conversion network and successful deep learning architecture utilized for object detection computer vision task here. So this is the general architecture and says about the RCNN. Here generally the input images collected here and then extract region proposal done with some method and move to the warped region here, and with the help of this one we can compute the CNN features, and at last we can classify the region whether the regions belong to what, that means aeroplane, person, or TV matter, and so on and so on. So whatever the image is there we can feed for the RCNN and train. At last we can decide, and with the training we can conclude this what is what. So here we are now about the region proposal, because you have to remember RCNN means you have to write that is the bounding box concept only. Bounding box, whatever the object, it will be bound box is here, and coordinate is also important. So here the region proposal, the first stage always is the generating region proposal only, because which are bounding boxes and also region or regions you can say that contain objects of interest within the particular image only. And here we can approach the selective search, because selective search is always imply a segmentation algorithm to create an initial set of region proposal here. So after upcoming sessions we can go for implementation. There we'll get more idea about this region proposal concept here. And next one, the future extraction, very important, because the future extraction done generated from the help of region proposal only here. So the simple example. So if I input images there, then we can apply the initial segmentation. Then after a few iterations, it look like that. At last, after many iterations, it look like this. So you can predict the output easily here. Then, so once the region proposal generated, next step is what? Future extraction only. Here we remember, here a fully connected CNN will be approached here, because it also helpful to compute the future representation also. Moreover, once come to the point of this original RCNN, we can you can now, that is convolution layers of Alexander also used here. That is the future extraction here. And then it's a example here where you can approach, where in the example we can approach the warping concept, because how warping concept working in RCNN, because it also helpful to add the 16 pixel of conducts in the middle image here, warping like that. And Alexander is the backbone of here. And next important is object classification. Here, so this object classification is very important, because what are the extra features we are getting from the region proposal, these are helpful to segregate the machine learning classifier for each object of class of RCNN. These also will get idea once go for implementation in the Google Graph or somewhere here. And moreover, for every class, there will a separate SVM is maintained, trained for find out whether the region proposal contains an instance of that class or not, particular class. That is one. And what about the training? Once go for the training, the positive samples are regions that contain an instance of the class here. So I hope that today what is RCNN and how it works, and what is the meaning of that region proposal, why important, and feature extraction and object classification. If you like the video, please subscribe and share with the friends. Thank you for watching the video. Thank you.